In the past 5 years, the hands-down favorite material and style for outdoor synthetic teak dining furniture is synthetic teak, also called faux teak. Synthetic teak was designed to replace natural teak, a dense and durable wood that has been overharvested in recent years and that also requires regular maintenance. Synthetic teak slats are actually a resin-based polymer and a type of plastic that is low maintenance, resistant to fading and cracking, and performs well both in extreme hot and cold climates. The synthetic teak slats are held together by an aluminum chair or table frame so that all the furniture pieces are engineered to be durable. Unlike other furniture materials that get damaged and subsequently discarded, synthetic teak slats that get damaged can be easily replaced. This not only provides greater value and longevity to your investment, but it is also a sustainable way to keep your furniture. Interior designers love synthetic teak furniture because it complements a multitude of environments and restaurant motifs. So let's get to our question. How long and how well does commercial synthetic teak furniture endure over time? For our review, we visited a casual, quick-serve franchise restaurant that opened into a new retail space in an outdoor mall in eastern PA. The outdoor patio seating accommodates approximately 50 people and a pergola, and its position on the north side of the building protects it from the sun, rain, and other outdoor elements. In the winter months, the furniture is stacked neatly outside. This particular location has received only a modest amount of usage and traffic in its time. The synthetic teak furniture that we are looking at has been in place for approximately 5 years, including a partial shutdown due to COVID. The manufacturer is Florida Seating, a well-known and reputable manufacturer of quality commercial hospitality furniture. Many of the leading hospitality furniture manufacturers have their furniture produced in China, and the top brands use similar designs and materials, so many contract manufacturers offer similar product quality. In the interest of full disclosure, our website, outdoorrestaurantseating.com, sells Florida Seating products, which is just one of the manufacturers that we sell. When approaching the site from a distance, the synthetic teak furniture looked great. The colors popped in contrast to the patio and building. The space appears comfortable and inviting. The furniture appears to be in excellent condition. When we approach the furniture to sit down, we observe that the powder-coated black paint seems to have weathered well with only frame scratches from normal wear and tear. There do seem to be some consistent scrapes on the top frame of the seatbacks of the chairs, but other than that, the chair and table frame are in good condition. This includes the table bases and the table frames, which are in excellent condition. Seats typically endure more abuse due to moving them around and falling, heavy purses hanging and tipping over chairs, and other misuse. The synthetic teak was in decent shape. A close inspection did reveal some discoloring of the teak due to stains, as well as some surface scratches and some minor chipping and a few deep scratches, which were probably caused by abuse rather than wear and tear. Overall, the texture and color of the faux teak hides the imperfections, and the furniture appears to be in good shape. In only one case, there was one teak slat in all the 10 or so tables that was slightly bowed, and structurally, the chairs and tables were sturdy. We sat in a handful of chairs. There were no loose slats in the seat or seat backs, and the legs all made steady contact with the ground and provided excellent stability. The tabletops and bases were also checked, and we couldn't find any play in the slats, nor loose top-to-base connections, or even wobbly bases on the cement ground. All in all, we found that the synthetic teak, although showing some expected wear and use, was still in good aesthetic shape and in excellent structural condition. It seems that the furniture will give their owners at the minimum another good 5 years of use and probably more. Synthetic teak furniture can be 10 to 40% higher in cost than cheaper alternatives, such as powder-coated commercial steel, resin polymer, and all aluminum tables and chairs, but the long-term value and return on investment for the look and overall performance of synthetic teak is arguably one of the best options available.